Look, you have to listen to me. It's not good for you to stay here.
They don't believe you. We can't be dead.
Do you see a light?
What if I do?
Where you belong.
Not yet.
It was my fault. I did a check of the whole oxygen. We were over the ocean at 35,000 feet, and then all hell broke loose. But with the valve closed, there was nothing flow-oriented. The whole crew was getting I knew I had to check the outflow valve, but with no oxygen, I just went to sleep. With no airflow, everyone just went to sleep. And wait for them to die. One. Wait for it to become a ghost flight. It was my fault. I just can't believe it's all over.
Why we died, but everybody deserves to know how they died. And you have to tell them so they can cross over.
Happened because I forgot something very important in the pre-flight check. I can tell you that you all just went to sleep.
Best thing for you to do is just to go into the light that you love are waiting for you over there.